A torque multiplier is a precision-engineered mechanical tool designed to significantly increase the torque output applied to a fastener, allowing users to loosen or tighten bolts that would otherwise be impossible to handle with manual tools alone. Operating through an internal system of planetary gears, it takes a relatively low input torque and multiplies it, often by factors of 4, 1, 25, 1, or even more, making it essential in scenarios where extremely high torque is required but space or operator strength is limited. Torque multipliers are indispensable in heavy-duty industries such as construction, mining, oil and gas, manufacturing, shipbuilding, and aviation maintenance, where fasteners are often large, over-torqued, rusted, or located in hard-to-reach areas. Whether it's assembling massive flanges on a pipeline or removing stubborn wheel nuts on heavy machinery, this tool provides controlled torque output without the need for large impact wrenches or hydraulic systems. Its use reduces the physical strain on workers and enhances safety by preventing sudden tool slippage or bolt shearing caused by uncontrolled force. Unlike powered tools that can be heavy, loud, and dependent on electricity or compressed air, a torque multiplier is a purely mechanical solution that delivers quiet, steady, and precise force. Built from high-strength alloy materials, often with hardened steel gearing and a robust torque reaction arm, a quality torque multiplier is designed to endure harsh job site conditions while maintaining calibration and accuracy over time. Many models include torque-limiting devices, or can be paired with torque wrenches for precise measurement, ensuring that fasteners are tightened to exact specifications, a critical requirement in high-performance systems like turbine assemblies or structural joints. In maintenance and repair operations, where downtime is costly and every turn of the wrench matters, torque multipliers offer a smart, portable, and highly efficient alternative to bulky, power-hungry equipment. In short, they transform raw mechanical advantage into professional-level performance, making them an essential part of any serious technician's toolkit.